Hey kids, let's draw and hear a cool story about Naruto. Once upon a time, in the Hidden Leaf Village, there was a boy named Naruto Uzumaki. But Naruto wasn't just any boy. He had a big secret. Inside him was a powerful spirit, the nine-tailed fox, sealed there when he was just a baby. The fox's power made Naruto special, but it also made life hard. Many villagers were scared of him and kept their distance. But Naruto wasn't the kind of kid to give up. Instead of feeling sad, he decided he would prove everyone wrong. His dream? To become the Hokage, the strongest ninja and the leader of the village. Even though he wasn't the best at school or ninja training, Naruto had one thing that made him different: his never-give-up attitude. One day, during his training, Naruto learned a powerful move called the Shadow Clone Jutsu. This technique allowed him to make copies of himself, and it became one of his favorite tricks. But Naruto's greatest strength wasn't his jutsus, it was his big heart. He believed in helping others, even if they didn't believe in him. As Naruto grew stronger, he made lots of friends, like Sakura, Sasuke, and Kakashi-sensei. Together, they went on exciting missions and battled powerful enemies. Naruto taught his friends an important lesson. It doesn't matter where you come from or what people think about you. What matters is how much you believe in yourself and how kind you are to others. Did you know Naruto's favorite food is ramen? He could eat it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And even when he was tired or hungry, he always found time to make people smile with his funny jokes and goofy personality. In the end, Naruto didn't just become a hero. He became a symbol of hope for the entire village. Everyone who doubted him came to respect him, and he proved that anyone can achieve their dreams with hard work, kindness, and a little bit of ramen fuel. And that's the story of Naruto Uzumaki, the boy who became the hero of the Hidden Leaf Village. Bye for now. See you next time.